as with all startups, there's a challenge every other day, and we have been not short of our own challenges along the way. One of the biggest challenges with any fintech startup, though, in particular, is, I suppose, the big, huge leap that you have to take at the beginning, and the huge amount of capital that you have to raise before you've even launched the product. Most startups are able to get started on very little and get a small test in the market and learn whether customers are using your product before they raise money and start to kind of really go on their growth journey. But being in such a regulated environment, we had to raise 3.3 million before we'd even written a line of code and before we even had a customer. And we had to hire an incredibly senior team because the FCA does not authorize you to do what we're doing unless you've got really senior experienced people in the room. So one of the biggest challenges was that. How do you convince an investor to give you millions of pounds worth of money before you've proven anything? How do you convince extremely senior professionals who have great jobs and are earning great money to take that leap of faith and come to something that hasn't even been created yet? So I think that is quite a unique challenge to the fintech space, and it's particularly sharp at the more heavily regulated end that Sidekick sits in.